The Titan is a valiant attempt to topple domestic rivals that have sat atop the Mount Olympus of full-size pickup sales for decades. Although it lacks the recognition and respect of Ford, General Motors, and Ram alternatives, the Nissan uses the same big truck formula. Its standard 390 HP V8 and 7-speed automatic are effective partners, but the Titan's ride is rougher than the rest. Its large comfortable cabin has cushy seats, but its infotainment system disappoints. A dedicated off-road model and customizable cargo box also align with the competition, but its towing capacity is the lowest in the light-duty class. The Titan tries hard, but it lacks the breadth of powertrain choices, originality, and innovations necessary to destabilize the status quo. The Titan enters 2018 almost completely unchanged. The lone addition is Nissan's Midnight Edition appearance package, which is only available on crew cab models. It includes a mix of black, dark, and body color exterior pieces and charcoal interior trim. After the first generation Titan spent more than a decade in relative obscurity, Nissan completely redesigned its half-ton pickup for 2017. It arrived 1 year after the company released the tweener Titan XD in an attempt to bridge the gap between light and heavy-duty pickups. The regular Titan shares its single cab, king cab, short 4-door, and crew cab configurations with the Titan XD, as well as its exterior appearance. Although the two Titans look virtually identical, the light-duty model is built on a different chassis with a wheelbase that's about a foot shorter for crew cab models.